All right, you got to look at gold prices. On the rise this morning. This brings in Peter Schiff. Peter is the ultimate gold bug, if he doesn't mind me calling him that. I want to know, Peter, have you ever put out a sell on gold?
No, I mean, I've been buying gold for 13 years or so. It's been in a bull market for pretty much the entire time. And I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't give advice to futures traders or options traders. I'm telling people to buy gold and hold it as a hedge against inflation and money printing. And, you know, gold's been up for 12 consecutive years. It's entitled to a correction. It's incredible the media has jumped all over this. I read an article that said that the advisors who had been negative on gold the entire time were now gloating and saying, "I told you so." You know, we're still at 1400. I think it's a bit premature for the people who have been advising their clients not to buy gold during the last decade to be patting themselves on the back.
You're right. Now, straighten me out on something. Am I right in saying that this month, April, we've seen record gold coin sales? I believe that the mint has been putting out a lot, the dealers have been putting them out, and people have been buying. Is that accurate?
It is accurate. I own a precious metals company, Euro Pacific Precious Metals, and it's the biggest month we've ever had. But the problem is there's a big